Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner. And today I'm going to be using this kit that I had in my stash. I picked it up at an expo a couple years ago, I believe, but it is a Simple Stories So Fancy Snap Pack. I don't do the snap pack, like the snap albums, but I really like this collection. It has lots of journaling cards and things like that. And I think it's it's die cuts. It says bits and pieces, so I'm assuming they're just little die cuts. So I'm going to use that. I thought this was really pretty. And yeah, and then I'll go ahead and use my stickers, my Mambi stickers as well. So let's get the stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here's the final spread. I used all of the blue floral that I could find in the kit and just kind of cut it down to fit in the boxes. I cut that heart, the 2 hearts out because the burlap and the cream color didn't really go with what I was wanting to do. And then I pulled out the heart paper and all the hearts and the little flower die cuts. And I used this girl die cut in the fancy and beautiful. So I just think it turned out really cute. I like doing spreads where you're not usually always using washi tape and full boxes, just kind of mixing it up a little bit. So I hope you like this too. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.